We had a huge hurricane came through 2 years ago, and we were caught behind, and we needed dependable, big equipment to come in and help us get this cell excavated so we could continue working. The equipment that we had in place simply wasn't getting it done. We deal with a lot of different manufacturers, but the biggest thing is I don't care what color, what make the machine is, it's going to go down. Well, we're looking to partner with companies that are going to stand behind their product and keep us up and running, and Ascendum has done a tremendous job at keeping our uptime up.
He called and said, hey, we're looking at a 50-ton size excavator. I said, hey, let me bring you this 550. It is a bigger machine, but it really is going to match your 30-ton trucks better. With a bigger, you can put a bigger bucket on it, you can move more dirt, you know, in each pass. We brought it out here, and the machine itself sold him on it.
The size of this machine was the first thing to stand out. I mean, that's a lot of yellow iron right there. And then just the power, you know, just jumping into that super comfortable cab, grabbing those sticks, and I mean, it's effortless, you know, picking up 8 tons of material per scoop. So just the size and the sheer power stood out, and I said, you know, that's the 2 things that we were looking for just to increase production and get ourselves back on track. What we found is the right machine with the right attachment is excavator optimization. So before we had a much smaller excavator, it was taking 8 to 9 scoops to load these Volvo 30 tons. They were getting stacked up. So man, now that we're cut that more than in half, I bet you we've increased productivity exponentially and are easily able to get probably 20 to 30 extra hauls in every day. If you're taking less scoops to fill up these trucks, you're burning less fuel. So we have seen definite savings. Even with a larger machine, we're burning less fuel because it's optimized. It's definitely improved safety. Like, I'm a big tech nerd, and all the cameras in there, especially surround view, I guess you would call it, we're able to know where, you know, employees are standing. We know where the trucks are and have a better sense of awareness of what's around us at all times. One cool thing that the Volvo 550 has is the grade control. With the computer system that it has in it, we're able to set that, make a benchmark, and then we can continue that grade right across the floor, saving us a lot of time on cleanup, getting the grade where it needs to be. So that has proved to be one great feature. Uptime is the most critical thing, and these guys have got a tech service crew that is top-notch. We go down, I get on the phone, and we've got somebody there either that day or the next day getting us back up and running. One great thing about our relationship with Ascendum is that teamwork. If they can't fix it by phone, then they got a tech out here to analyze it, see what's wrong, and get it fixed. And he goes over all of it with us. He knows these machines in and out. If I have any question, I know I can pick up the phone, he's gonna answer, and I know we're gonna be back up and running in no time. And that's the beauty of this relationship that we have. We've been working with Ascendum for about 20 years now. The reason we keep coming back to Ascendum is because you know you're getting a quality machine, and we've got a team that stands behind us and keeps us running.